Let's take a quick look at what we've covered in this course. We asked that you have some experience with C#, but that was really all that was required. We downloaded and installed Visual Studio, and we explored in depth the Model View Model Paradigm, MVVM, focusing on the view model. We took a look at navigation, and we looked at how you create flyouts, menus, and tabs. We spent time understanding and using routes and styling and static resources. We took a fast look at unit testing with NUnit and mock, and then we finished up the course, preparing you to go on to further development. You may want to study more about advanced styling, learn about additional controls in Xamarin.Forms, and explore advanced use of C# to enhance your application. You can go much further with NUnit and mock, creating superior unit tests.